previous Gemini Robotics version has been tested over and over again to put this banana into the bowl. This is a very simple task. I'm going to switch the model here and make the task slightly more challenging. For this at Gemini Robotics 1.5, I'll store these fruits into colorimetry plates. Sure, I can certainly help you do that. Put the green fruit into the green plate. We enable it to think. It can perceive the environment, different colors of the object, different colors of the plate. It will think step by step and then finish this multi-step task. Put the banana into the yellow plate. Although this example seems very simple, the idea behind it is really powerful. The same model is going to power more sophisticated robots like a humanoid to do more complicated daily tasks. Hi Apollo, can you help me sort my laundry please? Sure, I can help with that. Put the whites in white bins and the darks in the dark bin. It's beautiful, okay? Cool, so this model is able to think while it hacks and react. And actually read his thoughts out as it's doing the task here. So I can see right now it wants to put the dark blue plants in the black bin, which is great. And then I see what it does next. Now it's trying to pick up the white cloth with its left hand, which is doing now. And then I'm going to do that, and I can throw in a bunch of other clothes for it. And it will just keep going until, it gets sorted all the laundry. So let's see, it's picked up a red t-shirt, and it's going to put it in the right bin. Cool, it does that. A few months ago, we could only pick one item and put it in a bin. Now with thinking, we're able to, after about to chain a whole series of tasks together, and it's completely end-to-end. The thoughts and the actions are interleaved. I can see it running in person, which is really cool. Let's see what it does with the white clots here. It's still trying to go for, okay, so here seeing it said adjust the block bin a little bit so I can pick up the cloth. This is really cool. We didn't need to train it to do this explicit thing. So these kind of thoughts just like emerges during inference, which is really cool to see. And it's super reactive. It can now switch this up on it. Sorry, Apollo. And it knows that I have done that and it will react. Cool. So today I'm gonna test the robot on its reactivity by asking it to pack some familiar objects first and then increasing the difficulty. Hi Apollo, can you pack the stress ball in the right bag? Here it is. Each time I'm placing the object at a slightly different location, and we are kind of seeing whether the robot has some degree of active perception and whether it can kind of react to different placement of objects. So it kind of shows that it's not hard-coded. It can react to different situations within a domain that it has themed. I'm going to introduce some objects that it has never seen before. So let's do this round football and then this loofah. So it's going for the brown football first. Amazing job, Apollo. This is perfect. Thanks so much, Apollo, for sorting my laundry. You're welcome.